Have mine, please. Okay.
Is this day 24?
What is it?
What is it?
A book.
It's a book?
Yeah.
What kind of book is it? Can you...
A wallet. Go, What is it?
I don't know. You have to tell me.
Who is that?
What is that?
Dylan, who's the picture on the book?
A book.
He's very busy unwrapping it.
What is the book?
Who's on the book? Who's that?
A person.
Who is it?
A book.
Is it Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Look on the back. What's on the back? Turn it over. Who is that?
A person.
Is it Santa Claus?
Hi, Santa.
The night before Christmas. Tonight's
Ooh,
the night before
look what's on the
Christmas.
inside. There's a note on the inside.
Oh, can we read this note? This book belongs to Dylan Matthew Lowe. Merry Christmas. I love you and hope you've enjoyed your first Advent calendar. Love and double D's.
What's inside?
Aunt Dee Dee.
A
Careful. Don't let him rip it, honey.
Okay, let's not rip it. Let's take it out of the jacket. Okay, here you go.
Okay, here we go.
Who do you say thank you to?
Thank you, Dee.
I love you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say see you soon.
See you soon.
Okay, bye-bye.